Here's how to get a different clock style on your Galaxy S26's lock screen. First, lock the phone and go to your lock screen. Then tap and hold the lock screen until the customization screen appears. Now, tap on the clock section at the top. This will bring up different clock designs and font styles available on your device. You can start by adjusting the font thickness, making it thinner or bolder depending on your preference. Alternatively, you can completely change the clock font altogether. Try the available fonts and pick one you like. You can change the clock color as well. Now, if you switch to the Style tab, you can change the clock style. After you've finished customizing everything, simply tap Done in the top right corner. And that's it. Your lock screen clock will now look exactly the way you want.